Welcome back to Channel Cup of Fave. Today we will talk about 7 best espresso machines in 2021, according to experts. There are plenty of ways to consume the brewed beverage, hot, cold, over ice, blended, and many prefer it in the form of an espresso, which uses a pressurized brewing method to produce a small, concentrated shot of coffee. Espressos are a bit more complicated to make than a pot of coffee. While some consumers equate the espresso with a simple capsule that goes into their Nespresso, more experienced coffee connoisseurs typically know that making an espresso is an art. The good news is that with the right espresso machine, you can learn how to perfect the art of the espresso from home and start dosing, grinding the proper amount of beans for your machine, tamping, compressing the coffee grinds, and extracting, turning your beans into beautiful liquid gold. If you're in the market for an espresso maker, we spoke to coffee experts about how to shop for the right one and the different types of espresso machines out there. There are many types of espresso machines. They can be bucketed by what mechanism they use to produce pressure, a necessary component in the creation of an espresso. Pump-driven espresso machines. These are the most common types of espresso machine on the market. They use an electronic pump to send hot water through the coffee beans at the ideal pressure, around 9 bars. There are different types of pump-driven machines, and each of them gives the user a certain amount of manual control over the espresso making process. Most pump machines can be put into one of 4 categories: automatic, semi-automatic, manual, or capsule. The best espresso machines will have stable pressure and temperature along with the ability to steam at least 12 ounces of milk inside of 30 seconds. Let's get started and make sure you stay on the video to the end to not miss out the winner today. But before we start, don't forget to click subscribe below. Let's go. Best overall, affordable espresso machine, Breville Infuser. Breville is one of the best espresso machine brands on the market. At under $600, they specifically noted that the semi-automatic Breville Infuser is one of the best budget options for home brewers. The machine allows you to control the volume of each of your pours. Plus, it has digital P80 temperature control and a pressure gauge that helps you optimize your extraction. Best espresso machine with built-in grinder, Breville Barista Pro. Another good machine from Breville is the Barista Pro. This is a really popular choice that seems to be a good option for people looking for an all-in-one solution. This automatic espresso machine is built with Breville's thermojet heating system, designed to hit the ideal extraction temperature in 3 seconds. It comes in several colors, including damson blue, royal champagne, and black truffle. Best espresso machine for beginners, Gaggia Classic. Gaggia Classic is a no-frills machine that will get the job done, noting that it's also relatively affordable. This semi-automatic machine has a rapid heating boiler, 3-way solenoid valve, and 58mm chrome-plated brass portafilter. It also has a built-in commercial steam wand to produce foamy, frothy milk. Best espresso machine for experienced baristas, La Marzocco Linea Mini. La Marzocco is the brand that Blue Bottle uses in all of his stores, which is why I called it the working barista's choice. The semi-automatic Linea Mini is modeled after La Marzocco's Linea Classic, which the brand says is popular among professional baristas. With the La Marzocco app, you can turn the machine on or off, set the boiler temperature, enable pre-brewing, and more. Though this machine is substantially pricier, Philips noted that the build quality is very high. It has stable temperature and pressure, looks great in the kitchen, and just works. With this machine, you'll have professional level quality on your hands with nothing to worry about. Best-looking high-end espresso machine, Ascaso Steel P80 Programmable Machine. Ascaso steel machines look incredible and have all the features you want in a home machine. The Steel Duo P80 features a 58mm portafilter and dual thermoblock insulation that heats water quickly and ensures continuous steam. With the P80 temperature control on this machine, you can also control the temperature of your espresso in 1-degree increments. Best capsule espresso machine, Nespresso Virtual Plus. If you're looking for convenience over everything, the Nespresso Virtual Plus is a great option. Shopping editor Gideon Grudo previously noted that this machine is one of his favorite coffee makers since your coffee is entirely in your hands and won't require too much work if you don't want it to. In order to use this machine, you need to buy pods directly from Nespresso. You also need to either buy the frother separately or as a bundle if it's part of your preferred espresso. Best affordable espresso machine for experienced baristas, Rocket Espresso Appartmento? If the Linea Mini's price tag is out of your range, I suggested checking out anything from Rocket. The Rocket Espresso Appartmento is still certainly an investment, but this semi-automatic machine features a heat exchange boiler and a heated group head to help heat the water in your machine to the optimal temperature and steam milk while you pull your espresso. Please leave a comment below to let us know your opinion and which ones is the best espresso machine in 2021 for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.